One, two, three, start. Good morning, students. Yesterday, in my YouTube link, you have seen that 3 pranayams for you. That was Bhastrika, Kapalbhati, and Anuloma Vinoma. Or in shortest term, first one was Bhastrika, that is the full expression. Second one was Kapalbhati, fully expiration. And third one was the Anuloma Viloma, that was the alternate breathing. Now today I will show you another 3 pranayamas that are also essential for you, for your mental health, for your getting concentration in studies and well-being. So let's start. I told you yesterday, before starting any yoga or pranayama, you always sit in Vajrasana and chanting the normal mantras for your concentration. Get up. Om Shana Bhavatu Shana Bhunaktu Shah Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvina Vadhitamastu Ma Vidveshya Vahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Take the hands to backwards. Hold the right hand by left hand. Then bow down forward. Slowly come up. Open your eyes. Sit just 4 to 5 seconds on Vajrasana. Then you unfold your legs and go your comfortable positions. That is the Bhadrasana. You see, that is the Bhadrasana. It is comfortable. Whatever you like. You can put your right leg over left leg over right leg. That is up to you. Let's start. Today's pranayama is called Ujjayi. Ujjayi is very essential for your throat, lungs, as well as the functions of thyroid gland especially. You know the thyroid gland secreted thyroxine hormone, which is more essential for metabolism of our body. So if you do this pranayama very correctly, then you can avoid your thyroid problems in future life. So let's start. Just every day I told you that you see the demonstration very carefully, then you can do the practice, because observation is most necessary for any kind of practices. You observe carefully, then you do next time. Sit in Bhadrasana, erect your spine, take the mudras on your just knee, close your eyes. Listen, you inhale the air through the nostril and passes through the throat, then making a sound of the throat, and inflate your lungs fully. Then put down the chin to the lower chest, hold for few seconds, again come up and close the right nostril, then release the air by left nostril. That is the process. Look. That was the 1 time. So I will do for 7 times first set. You will do 7 times first set, 7 times second set, 7 times third set. That means total 21 times. I'll do only one set. Just observe for 7 times. That's all. That was the first set. So again, you relax your legs by plantar flexion and dorsiflexion. So relax your lower part of the body. Then quadriceps drills. Yesterday I told you. So that was the Ujjayi. Our next pranayama is called Bhamdi. Bhamdi, it is the sound of bees. Bhamdi is the sound of bees. You know the bees when move around the flowers, they make some sounds, and that sounds created by their wings, flapping the wings. So we can make that sound through our respiratory processes, so that our brain can create a vibrant. That vibrant release you some energy, which can helpful for our upper part of the body or upper respiratory tract of our body, and you can feel very comfortable. It is a one kind of basic exercises for our migraine. That is a one kind of disease. You can avoid the disease and you can cool your mind. Look, the observation. There are several kind of processes, but simply you just close your eyes by these 3 fingers. Put the point finger on the forehead and the thumb. Close your ears. Okay. Then you inhale fully. Erect your spine. Then make the sound. During the making of sound, you just release the carbon dioxide or exhale. How much air you intake during the inspiration, you release that much amount of air by this sound or vibrating your mouth. Just close your lips and then make the sound. Again, look, I'll do the 3 times only. You will do the 5 times in one set, next 5 times in second set, and next 5 times in third set. That is total 15 times. Just I will do the 3 times for your demonstration. Look, erect your spine, inhale, That's all. You can feel your vibration over your face and upper part of the body. That was the Bhramri, or making the B sound by closing ear, nostril, eyes, ear. So basically that was the Bhramri. The last one is called Udgit or Omkar sound. It's also most helpful for our body, that can release some energy from our, that is a navel point, and that the yogi, they told that it's a very good chanting of Om, that release some energy from our lower part of the body to the upper part through the brains, and it can goes to the upward for a betterment, healthy life, and we can directly connect our mind to the soul. Is it? That's the Omkar sound. You know that Maharshi Shiva was the most yogi of this earth. Shiva, Lord Shiva is the greatest yogi of this earth, and from that the yogi learned this Omkar. So let's start. How do? Then I am changing my legs for getting comfortable positions. Erect your spine, close your eyes, and just sit erectly. Then do the Omkar sound. Follow and do for minimum 5 times. And again 5 times, 5 times, 5 times, 3 times. You can do it. Inhale first, then do the exhale by making the Om sound. And you can divide your Om sound by O and Ma. Ma with closing the lips, and O is the opening of the lips. You see just and look it. Inhale. That's all. Just to feel, when you do all these pranayamas, just to feel, you will get the coolness in your mind and body. That is the effectiveness of pranayamas. Feel the coolness of your body after pranayamas. So after completion of 6 pranayamas, you just rub your 2 palms, fold your disparate palms, then rub and just press on your eyes, then stretch your arms over your head and just stay for 1, 2, 3, 5 seconds. Then again back down. Hold your left arm, hold your right arm by left arm, and go down forward 1 time. And think that whole time will do positive, positive, and positive. In mind, you see that you should be positive in all work, in all life. And you practice this all pranayam early in the morning with empty stomach, will be more beneficial for you. Or in the last, I told you yesterday, let's always do the ending with chanting mantras. Yesterday I will show you. Then today is also, you just chant the mantras by releasing your energy. Hold your hands. Yogena chittasya padena vacham मलं शरीरस्य च बोधकेन युपाकर्तं प्रवरं मुनिनं पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरास्मै ॐ अशतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युर्मामृतङ्गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Hold your right arm by left arm at the back side, then go down forward. Come up slowly, open your eyes, unfold your hands and complete your all accents. Thank you everybody.